Stormblue and I are going to make Adam the black-headed guy sneeze and turn into a giant. Ha 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 ha.
I'm glad I ordered my fish and chips here, and it looks like they are about to come.
Here is your fish and chips, enjoy. Also, I was turned into a giant by a growth pepper since Dark Purple and Midnight did it to me in December 12, 2025. Oh no. I'm turning into a giant.
Ouch!
Are you two okay?
Yes, we are. Dark Purple and Midnight turned you into a giant and threw us up here.
So when you use growth pepper, don't put too much.
Okay then. I will be careful.
Okay then. Enjoy your lunch.
I'm going to wash my hands before I eat, that way I won't get any germs on my food.
Here we are at the restaurant that produces growth pepper to add flavor. Time to add so much it will make Adam sneeze on his fish and chips.
Ha
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 ha ha ha ha ha ha ha ha.
I'm back and ready to enjoy my lunch.
Ha
Ha ha ha ha ha ha ha ha ha ha.
We did it. Now to throw the Colombian movie fan 2004, Alexander, and Joe on that giant.
Put us down right now.
Hey. Put me down now.
Ouch! Are you three okay? Yes.
We're okay.
Oh no. We are busted.
That's right. Did you two turn me into a giant? Tell me right now.
Yes, we did. Because you got Midnight arrested in roleplays.
It doesn't matter. I am taking you two to jail for this, because what you two did is unacceptable. And you have ruined my lunch completely. I'm telling waiter Daniel when I turn back to normal.
No 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 no.
Midnight and Stormblue. This is your cell. You will stay here until Halloween 2026. Also, you two have some visitors who are here to speak to you.
Midnight and Stormblue. How dare you turn Adam the black-headed guy into a giant at the restaurant he went to for lunch?
You know that turning people into giants can make people think he or she is a giant monster.
Plus, throwing people is considered as assault and battery.
And for this, you two are grounded until Halloween 2026. When you get out of jail, you will go straight to your room and think about what you did.
We're leaving now. Goodbye. See you on Halloween 2026.
I can't believe that we are in jail for what we did.
Can this day get any worse than this?